Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI Garage, and we're talking about our speaker upgrade kit here. Listen, you're getting close to the end of the project and you reinstall your stereo and take a listen to the speakers, and it's just not right. You can eliminate the vibrations and the distortions caused by the speakers. Really cool with this setup here. It improves speaker sound and performance, and it eliminates the squeaks and the rattles. It's just going to improve the acoustics. Works great on steel, fiberglass, plastic, just about everything. Perfect amount for 2 speakers in this particular kit here. All you have to do is take the speaker out, you apply the material, and then put the speaker back in. It's also great to get rid of the rattling license plates and maybe the plate frames. You know what I'm talking about. Paired with the speaker baffles, it basically supercharges your speakers. It's the speaker upgrade kit. Check it out at designengineering.com.